It's a long journey, it's been very difficult, and she's still flat, she's still pitchy, and so intervention, hypnotising, that's what we're going to do today.
Hi. And kia ora. Nau mai. Whakatai mai. My name is Kare, and I am from Te Whakaware Whare.
Matua Kare from the Whakaware Whare, but then also the Wāngu, and then I also saw that bit of sign that come up for the nighttime shift.
You are safe. Close your eyes. Aye. Repeat after me. Toiaitia. My voice is strong.
My voice is strong.
My voice will not run away from me.
My voice will not run away from me.
My voice has mana.
My voice has mana.
Oh, and kaha.
And ka.
Oh, te wehi te wana.
Te wehi te wana.
We kore reo e ngaro, e kaka noa hau. Powerful.
Powerful.
I feel that.
Can I please have my kina? My kimchi, please don't forget the chocolate straws.
Wow, that's pretty specific.
Why?
How about we unpack that later? Yeah, let's unpack that later. This is good. This is a good session.
Yeah, that's right.
Hold that thought out.
Kare is the best hypnotohunga in the whole entire motu. In my price range.
Well, I got a client at the moment, but I should be finished soon. Yeah, she's just got a voice problem and an attitude problem.
On Kamaea. Put it on Kamaea.
Alright, kapai. Now, wait. This is something that will help cleanse your chakra. So you can go from the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom. Get those notes, girl.
Oh, yeah.
I messed that one up. No. And up, higher. Hit your note. Oh, that felt good, eh? Aye. From
awesome.
there, from your pito.
Oh, yeah.
Aye, all the way up. You don't need to haha. Kapai. That one's done. Now this one is a donut. I will put that there. Aye, kapai. I don't know. I just seen that on YouTube.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh shit. Brother. Up and oh. Oh, there we go. Hey, how's it going? How about you? I see. Powerful. The car. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, no. Oh, hey, oh, let me just koro, kia kaha, koro.
I found it quite moving. It was inspiring, and I can't believe I haven't tried this before for all my other clients. And yeah, I think it's really going to bring that voice back in her that she's been missing.
And this, smoke it up.
Cool.
Yeah, bro.
Been there.
Smoke it up.
Sometimes, but it's cleansing. Aye.
You got to light it.
Now I got asthma. Yeah, I got bad asthma. Chronic. Wait.
Yeah, sorry.
That's us. I've actually got another client now, so up.
Oh, cool. Just gently get up, or it's going to
Nah,
be
fast.
disorientating.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hop.
Where the fuck am I, bro? What's going on? That was Kare. That was Kare.
That's
Harry.
a good slogan. That was
Harry.
Kare.
No.
I don't even know if it worked. I don't even know what hypnotizing is. Like, how does this thing even work? Does anybody even know? Can he hypnotize my cravings away? Or even better yet, can he hypnotize me skinny after I've given birth?
That was Kare. It's my new slogan. That was ekare.co.nz.
Harrison wants to be
Yes.
the next Māori Spielberg.
Yeah.
Do you think he's got the chops to make a documentary that's going to win awards?
Do I think Harrison has the chops to make a documentary that will win awards? Carl.